Hi kids, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to learn how to write Hindi alphabets. Let's start with Swar means vowels. A. To write A, start from here, curve, followed by one more curve like 3, then one small line, then standing line, then one sleeping line. A. A. Follow the same as A. One curve followed by another curve, one small line, then standing line, one more standing line, then sleeping line. A. E. To write E, start from here, one small standing line, then sleeping line, then curve, then one more curve like S, twisted here, then slanting line, then sleeping line. E. E. To write E, follow the same as E. One standing line, then write like S, twisting here, and then slanting line. From here, one curve, then sleeping line. E. U. It is very easy to write U. Start from here, curve, followed by one more curve going up. Finally, one sleeping line. U. U. Same as U. Start from here, one small curve, followed by one more curve going up. Then from here, one more curve towards down. Finally, one sleeping line. Ooh. Re. It is little difficult to write re. Start from here, line that should be slanting here, then easy slanting line, then standing line, then from here one slanting line, twisted here, slanting line, then followed by curve, then sleeping line. Re. A. To write A, start from here, one standing line, that line should be slanting here, then small curve. From here, one standing line, followed by small curve. Finally, sleeping line. A. I. Same as A, start from here, one standing line. That line should be slanting here, small curve. From here, one standing line followed by small curve. Here, slanting line, little curve. Then sleeping line. I. O. To write O, follow the same as A. From here, one curve, followed by one more curve, then one line, then one standing line, one more standing line. Here, slanting line, little curve, then sleeping line. O. Ow. To write ow, start from here, one small curve, followed by one more curve, then one line, then standing line, one more standing line. Here, slanting line, little curve, one more slanting line plus curve, then sleeping line. Ow. Ang. To write ang, first write A. Start from here, one curve, followed by one more curve, then one line, then one standing line, then one sleeping line. From here one small circle. Ang. Aha. To write aha, first write a. Small curve, then followed by one more curve, then one small line, then standing line, then sleeping line. From here one small circle, again one more circle. Aha. So kids, I hope you learnt how to write Hindi swar. Keep practice again and again. See you in next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.